How to save Snapchat photos to your gallery. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to save Snapchat photos to your gallery. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Snapchat app, please visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if your Snapchat is up to date. If not, just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app. Now I'm just going to head on and open Snapchat right here. And first, I'm going to show you how to save a Snapchat photo from your memories. So you can just swipe up from here from the camera page, or just click on this icon right here at the left of the shutter button to access our memories. So if you want to save a certain photo or video from your memories, just tap on that specific media and click on this pencil icon at the bottom left corner. Just click on that. And after that, you should see this share option right here at the bottom left-hand corner again. And these options will pop up. So you just have to swipe to the left. And you should see this download button over here. Just click on download. And it should be saved from your camera roll, already. So that is it on how you save a Snapchat photo from your memories. So if you want to do this automatically, like save a Snapchat photo to your gallery automatically when you take a new snap or when you choose to save a new snap, just click on your Bitmoji at the top left corner. Click on the settings icon or the gear icon at the top right corner. And let's scroll down a bit until this memories option right below the notifications. After that, let's focus on this option right here that says save button and click on that. And this is where you can change the option. When you tap the save button while editing a snap, Snap will save too. So I currently have it set to memories. So if you want to automatically save a new snap, and when you click the save button to your camera roll, just click on the memories and camera roll. And when I go back at the camera page, for example, I'm going to take a new snap from here and click on the save button at the bottom left hand corner. So that should be saved on my camera roll as well and not just on my memories. So that is how you can basically save Snapchat photos to your gallery. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.